I'm mixing some audio and I want to have this sound effect end, but I don't want to have just a really abrupt finish. I want to add a 1 frame of fade off. So there's 2 main ways to do this. First of all, just for reference, I'll show you the method that I used to use for many years, which is quite manual, but then I'll show you the recommended method, which is much quicker. What I used to do is just go to the last frame or the last couple of frames of this audio. So I'll go here, click on it, go to the audio levels here, actually go to the level and create a keyframe, and then go to the next frame and then just go minus 999 decibels. That will put it to infinity, well, minus infinity, so it actually just goes to the lowest level. So as you can see, this will work. Sometimes it does give a bit of a clicky sound for some reason, so you might want to actually just pull this under if you want to use these. But like I mentioned, this is actually not a recommended way of adding transitions. So if I just undo, there is actually a preset to do this really quickly. If I go over to the effects panel, I can go to audio transitions, crossfade, and then constant gain. I can then drag this to the end and then just adjust this to show how many frames I want for the fade off, and then this actually does it all for you. I can also add this to the start as well if I want to. So if I want a bit of an intro to the sound, I don't want it starting just yet, I can add a constant gain at the start and give it a few frames to begin with. So feel free to put these on either side of a sound effect. It's just a super quick way in a few seconds to help mix your audio without fiddling around with keyframes. So I hope you found this quick tutorial useful. If you have any ideas, suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments section, and I'll see you all in the next video.